What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just going to get straight into the video. Today we're trying out products from the African Pride Moisture Miracle line. The first product that you'll see me trying is the Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream. But let's see, okay. It's the consistency we're working with. Okay, we can work with this. We can work with this. I really should have took the section down first. Okay, so like I said, I just have the leave-in conditioner on my hair. So part of my other little twist. Let's just pop that up. Okay. So this is just with the leave-in conditioner in. Okay. So now I'm just gonna. It's kind of thick actually, which I kind of like because then I feel like I have a little bit of hold. Okay. Okay. Nice slip. Okay, so I'm kind of getting undecided, like with wanting to use my diamond brush. I usually like to finger detangle, but for today I'm just gonna like diamond brush it and then I'll go through and finger detangle instead of like coil it. So unfortunately something happened to the first part of the video, you guys. So now I just kind of want to give you guys a little catch up and let you guys know where I'm at in the video. So I am using the African Pride Moisture Miracle line, but before I'm using this gel and cream, I'm also using the leave-in cream. So this is the coconut oil and boba oil hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream, and it's the same brand, African Pride, the Moisture Miracle, but I just applied it off camera immediately after I washed my hair. So before I apply the gel and cream, you guys will see that I already have some product in my hair, and that is the Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream. It says that the cream provides intense moisture and helps repair natural coils and curls. Now, it says that the gel and cream is a part of a 3-in-1 curl training system. We like that. So the 3 things, it says number 1, defines curl pattern. Number 2, molds and holds shape. And number 3, hydrates and adds shine. Okay, so ultimately it says it defines and elongates natural curl and coil patterns. So we're going to see you guys. Okay, this is what we're looking like. I felt like I kind of liked it better before I diamond brushed it. Okay, so actually I feel like it'll be better for me to use the diamond brush and then apply the product, and then I'll finger like coil. So again, kind of using about the same amount. Honestly, I should have probably broke this part up into 2 pieces. Kind of starting to get lazy already. Not really wanting to coil every piece. Alright, you guys, so I stopped brushing it out because I don't know, I just wasn't feeling the vibes. I don't know, I just feel like it was like, I don't know, I just feel like I was just better off finger like working the product through. So that's just what I've been doing like the other sections. So again, you know, last section, finish on my product, right, kind of put it together, and then last section. So that probably took about 15-20 minutes total, because again I was doing them kind of big. I didn't really take my time per se going through each section. Literally took the section down, break through, move on to the next section. So like probably like 15 minutes max, honestly. So what I'm gonna do, since it's late, I'm gonna actually dry my hair tonight. So I'm gonna sit under my little bonnet dryer. Okay, so I'll be back after it's dry. All right, you guys, so this is the next morning. My hair is dried. And well, last night, like I said, last night I used my bonnet dryer to dry my hair, and after that I just put my hair in, sort of like banded it. It's the same method I've been using and since like a previous video when I showed you guys. So if you guys want to know how I maintain my hair overnight, I'll put the card up one of these sides. Anyway, so again, this is the next morning, and you know, the hair is getting big. Okay, I'm a fan. Okay, I cannot complain. I will say, taking my hair out, I definitely had a little bit of like flakes. It's not like, oh no, you guys can see. Oh yeah, you guys can see. So it wasn't like intense, but obviously like there's enough to see the flakes. Okay, we don't quite like that, but I don't feel like you can really see the flakes in my hair, which is good. So I don't know if maybe like I used too much product or if they just didn't mix well together. I mean, they were the same line, the same brand, so I hope that's not the case. Maybe I just used a little bit too much on certain parts, which is possible. But you know, it's not looking very flaky in my hair, at least, which I can deal with a little bit, you know, on your clothes, as long as you're not wearing like black, as long as it's not too much flakiness in the hair, you know. So overall, I think I would use this product again. My hair is very big. I don't even know, like I know I have a lot of hair, but I don't know, today it's just giving like super big. And is it like the hair product or is it just my hair? I don't know, but I'm feeling the vibe. It didn't take my hair very long to dry either. I want to say I was under the bonnet dryer for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes on low. Well, I was kind of like alternating between high and low, and yeah, after that it was pretty much dry, and I just banded it up, slept overnight, and here I am next morning. Just put the bonnet off and took my bands off, and I did fluff a little bit as well, but honestly it was pretty much like this when I took it out. So I'm very much satisfied on that aspect. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. You know, let me know what you think about my end result. If you've tried this product before, what did you think? Give me your experience. Let me know if you have any questions. You know, just let's interact, you know. Yeah, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.